Imagine swimming through the open ocean and suddenly realizing that a predator is moving silently beneath you. It has rows of razor-sharp teeth, an incredible sense of smell, and a body built for speed. This is the great white shark, one of the most powerful and fascinating predators on Earth. But how much do we really know about this legendary animal? Today, we're diving beneath the surface to discover the incredible world of the great white shark. The great white shark, scientifically known as Carcharodon carcharias, is one of the largest predatory sharks in the world. They are found in coastal waters across several parts of the planet, including areas around South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, North America, and parts of South America. Great whites prefer temperate waters, where they can find plenty of prey. Their bodies are perfectly designed for life in the ocean. They have a powerful, streamlined shape that allows them to move efficiently through the water. Their upper body is usually gray, while their underside is much lighter. This coloring provides an important advantage. When viewed from above, their darker back can blend with the ocean. When viewed from below, their pale underside can blend with the brightness of the surface. This natural camouflage helps them approach prey without being easily detected. And then there are their teeth. A great white can have several rows of teeth, with new teeth continuously replacing old or damaged ones. Their teeth are triangular, serrated, and incredibly effective at tearing through flesh. But their teeth aren't their only remarkable weapon. Great white sharks have an extraordinary sense of smell. They can detect tiny traces of substances in the water, helping them locate potential prey over considerable distances. They also possess specialized sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini. These tiny sensors can detect electrical signals produced by other animals. That means a great white can potentially detect the electrical activity of prey even when the animal is difficult to see. But perhaps one of the most impressive things about the great white is the way it hunts. Great whites don't simply attack everything they encounter. They are intelligent predators that use different hunting strategies depending on their environment and prey. One famous technique is called breaching. The shark can accelerate toward prey from below and launch itself completely out of the water. This spectacular behavior is often associated with hunting seals. And when a great white attacks, its speed and power can be astonishing. But despite their terrifying reputation, great white sharks are not constantly hunting. Like other animals, they spend much of their time traveling, searching for food, resting, and navigating through the ocean. Their diet can include fish, rays, squid, and marine mammals such as seals and sea lions. Young great whites tend to eat more fish and smaller marine animals, while larger adults are capable of taking much bigger prey. Another fascinating part of their lives is their long-distance movement. Great white sharks can travel enormous distances through the ocean. Some individuals migrate between feeding areas, following seasonal changes and the availability of prey. Scientists have even tracked great whites traveling across entire ocean regions. And here's something many people don't realize. Great white sharks are warm-bodied compared with most other sharks. Special adaptations allow them to maintain parts of their body at temperatures higher than the surrounding water. This helps them remain active and powerful even in relatively cold environments. But being a top predator doesn't mean the great white has no enemies. Young great whites can face threats from larger predators, and adult great whites can sometimes interact with or compete with other large marine predators. Humans, however, remain one of the greatest threats to great white shark populations. Sharks can become accidentally caught in fishing equipment, and their populations have been affected by fishing pressure and changes to marine ecosystems. This matters because great white sharks play an important role in maintaining healthy ocean ecosystems. As apex predators, they help influence the populations and behavior of other marine animals. When top predators disappear, the balance of an ecosystem can change. That's why protecting great whites isn't simply about protecting one species. It's also about protecting the health of the ocean itself. And perhaps the most fascinating thing about the great white shark is that there is still so much scientists don't know. These animals spend much of their lives beneath the surface, traveling through an environment that is difficult for humans to observe. Every new tracking study and underwater observation gives scientists another piece of the puzzle. The great white shark may have been portrayed as a monster for generations, but beneath that frightening image is something far more interesting, a highly adapted marine predator that has survived for millions of years, evolved for life in the ocean, and plays an important role in the natural world. The next time you see a great white shark, don't just think of its teeth. Think about the incredible biology, intelligence, senses, and survival abilities that make this animal one of the ocean's most remarkable predators. The ocean is full of mysteries, and the great white shark is one of its most fascinating. If you enjoyed discovering the incredible world of wildlife, stay with us for more amazing animals and nature facts.